Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce Bitdefender Antivirus, one of the most trusted security solutions to keep your PC safe from viruses, malware, and online threats. Let's get started. First of all, what is Bitdefender Antivirus? Bitdefender Antivirus is a powerful security software for Windows, Mac, and Android. It protects your devices from viruses, malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. It also helps keep your online activity private and safe. Whether you are a home user, student, or business professional, Bitdefender provides strong protection without slowing down your computer. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of Bitdefender Antivirus. Real-time protection detects and blocks threats instantly. Ransomware protection prevents your files from being encrypted by attackers. Web protection blocks malicious websites and phishing scams. Anti-fraud and anti-tracking keeps your online activities private. Autopilot mode, automatic security without constant notifications. VPN access, encrypt your internet connection for extra privacy. Minimal system impact, runs smoothly without slowing your PC. So, who can benefit most from it? Bitdefender Antivirus is helpful for home users who want safe browsing, office workers and remote employees, students using laptops and PCs, gamers who need protection without slowing down their system, anyone who wants strong, reliable antivirus protection. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, Bitdefender Antivirus is completely safe. It is developed by Bitdefender, a trusted cybersecurity company used by millions worldwide. It protects your devices without changing system files or affecting normal operations. Now, how to use it. Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install Bitdefender Antivirus on your Windows PC. Open the software and follow the setup wizard. Enable real-time protection and autopilot mode. Run a quick scan or full system scan to check for malware. Use the dashboard to monitor your protection, update virus definitions, and manage settings. That's it. Your computer is now fully protected. Now, if you want to unlock all premium features and get multi-device protection, I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete guide to Bitdefender Antivirus. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.